In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications on WhatsApp Web, ensuring you never miss an important message again. Whether you're working from a desktop during office hours, or simply prefer the comfort of a larger screen, staying connected with your contacts without constantly checking your phone is a game changer. So, let's dive right in and get those notifications up and running in just about 5 minutes. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to WhatsApp Web. This can be easily done by opening your preferred web browser and typing in web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a QR code that you'll need to scan using your mobile device to log in. This step bridges your phone's WhatsApp with the web version, syncing all your messages and contacts in real time. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the WhatsApp web interface. You'll notice it mirrors the mobile app quite closely, with your chats on the left and the content of the selected chat displayed on the right. Now to the matter at hand, activating those notifications. Looking towards the top left corner of the page, right above your list of chats, you'll find several icons. Your target is the notifications option. In some versions, it might appear as a bell icon or be found within a 3-dot menu, depending on the updates and changes WhatsApp Web undergoes over time. Once you locate it, give it a click. This action opens up a settings menu dedicated to managing your notifications. Within this menu, you're looking for a particular setting labeled Message Notifications. It's pretty straightforward. This is the option that controls whether or not you get alerted about new messages coming into your WhatsApp Web. Give Message Notifications a click to change its status. Upon clicking, a confirmation prompt will likely appear. This usually reads along the lines of, "Okay, got it," acknowledging that you've chosen to turn on notifications for WhatsApp Web. Clicking this not only confirms your choice, but also lets your browser know that it's okay to let WhatsApp Web send you alerts. If you're using the platform for the first time, or if your browser's privacy settings are set to high, your browser might ask for additional confirmation to allow notifications from WhatsApp Web. If prompted, be sure to allow or accept these requests, as they are crucial for the notifications to work correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled notifications for WhatsApp Web. But before we wrap up, let's talk about managing these notifications, because staying informed doesn't mean getting overwhelmed. Remember, the same menu where you found the message notifications option also contains settings for group notifications, sounds, and even notification previews. Take a moment to explore these settings and adjust them to suit your needs. For instance, if you find audio alerts too intrusive during work hours, you might opt to turn off the sound but leave the pop-up notifications active. A quick tip before we conclude: always ensure your browser is allowed to send notifications in its settings. This can usually be found in the privacy or site settings section of your browser's options menu. Permissions can sometimes get reset after an update, or by changing your privacy protection level, so it's good practice to check this if you suddenly stop receiving notifications. And there you go. You're all set to receive notifications on WhatsApp Web, making sure you're always in the loop without needing to glance at your phone every other minute. Whether it's coordinating with your team, staying in touch with family, or planning an outing with friends, you're now equipped to do it all from the comfort of your desktop. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Stay connected, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.